Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Universe with Asma. Today we are diving into the world of AWS CLI Commands. AWS Command Line Interface is an essential tool that can help you manage your services efficiently. The AWS CLI allows you to interact with AWS services from command line. It provides a consistent interface to manage your AWS services using scripts and commands. In our last video, we have seen to install AWS CLI on Windows laptop. We have configured AWS CLI and have started using. This is the next part of using AWS CLI commands. Let's get started. In order to start using AWS command line interface, we need to log into our AWS account. We will do by going to any folder of our laptop and we will write cmd. Now we will write AWS configure. It will ask for AWS access key and secret access key. I will enter this and then we will be able to log into our AWS account. Now we are successfully into our AWS account. So let's start using the commands. I will clear my screen. I have made a file in which I have entered few of the commands, so we will be using those commands to show you how we can use our AWS accounts via AWS CLI. Let's start using commands. Now we will see if there are any instances in our account. So we will do AWS EC2 describe -instances. So these are the instances which is there in my AWS account. This is the instance ID. This is the key pair which I have used. It's in availability zone US East 1C. So that's how we can see the listing of the EC2 instances in our account. I will press Q to come out. So to start the EC2 instance, I will use this command, and here at the end I will paste the instance ID. So I will copy this command. It's AWS EC2 start instances -- instance IDs. So this is the ID which I need to copy, and here I will paste this. So it will start my EC2 instance. So right now it's in pending stage, and when we are using AWS CLI commands, it is much faster than doing the starting of instance or stopping of instance or anything which we are doing from AWS management console. So using AWS CLI is much faster. We will go to the management console and see if the instance has started or not. We are logged into our AWS account. We will go and see if the EC2 instance which we have started from our command line is started or not. We will click on EC2 and then we will click on instances. So this is the instance which is currently in a running state, and the instance ID, the last 4 digits are A191. So this is the one we have started. I have cleared my screen. So now we will go and stop this instance. So I will be using AWS EC2 stop -instances, and instance ID I will give. So here, and the instance ID I will copy from the console. And now we will stop this instance from command line. Click enter, and then now it is in stopping state. Let's go and refresh. I will cross this and I will refresh this. Now see, it is saying A191 is in stopping state. So it is working correctly from our command line. Now we will see if we have any buckets in our AWS account or not. I will go and click on S3. It will show me I have 2 buckets. So let's start by accessing S3 buckets. So the command is AWS. I will clear my screen. AWS S3 LS. LS will show me the buckets if there are in my account. So there I have 2 buckets here, ASPA 1984, and this is the one. So here also the same buckets are there. Now if I want to create a new bucket, so I will use the command AWS S3 MB. MB is for make bucket, and then I will give the I will give S3 : / and my bucket name ID. So I will give any name, and then I will enter any random numbers because the bucket name should be unique across AWS. So let's see if this command works or not. See, now make bucket is ran successfully and the new bucket is created. I will go and do AWS S3 LS. Now it will show the new bucket. The new bucket is here. This is what we have created just now. So it worked properly, correctly. We will go and refresh in our AWS account. See, this bucket just came and it is created at the same time. Now we will try to copy an image from our laptop to our S3 bucket. So this is the image which I am trying to copy. So I will get the exact location of this image by going to the properties, and I will click on this. So I will paste here. The command is AWS S3 CP. CP is for copying. I will give the complete location and the file name. And the type of file is .png. So I will paste this with .png, and this would be the name of my bucket. So I will copy this command and paste it here. Now I want the name of my S3 bucket in which I want to get this file to be pasted. So I will copy from our management console. So this is the command AWS S3 CP is for copying from our local computer to the S3 bucket. See, now it is completed. Now upload. It is saying this is uploaded. So we will go and refresh this, and we will go inside this bucket and see if the file is uploaded or not. See, it is saying AWS CLI.png. This is just been uploaded. This is the one which I have uploaded, AWS CLI.png. So copying from local computer to S3 bucket is also very easy and quick when we are using AWS command line interface. I hope you liked my video demonstrating using various AWS commands. We can use various services with the help of AWS CLI commands. It is much easier and quicker when we are using AWS command line. Please subscribe to my channel to get more content. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.